welcome you once again to another lesson. Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn how to create certificates. Previously, we've been using PhysiLab in our designs, but today we are going to I'm going to introduce to you a new website, or a website that you can use for your designs. Now, this website is PosterMyWall. So let's launch our browser, and then at the address bar, you enter the address as PosterMyWall.com. And with this site, it gives you a variety of templates that you can select from based on the work that you are doing. So we are going to use this template to design our certificate. So we have two options here. Either you create a website, you create an account here so that you can track your designs. Or if you've already created an account, just log in and you continue from there. But we are not going to do that one now. But I advise you to do that for your work or for your projects. So we are not going to do that. So let's start from create a design. So click on create a design to give you a new interface. Okay, so this is the interface you are going to see after you click on that button. So first of all, let's select this one here and select images only, because we don't want our work to be based with our template to be mixed with videos. So we just want images alone, because we are going to play with images. So after selecting the images only, you come to this section here and you type the kind of work you want to do. Now we want to do certificates, so you type certificates. Okay, so this is a certificate that you have, so you just select certificate and it will log in, or it will open, or it will give you a list of templates, certificate templates that you can select from. So you see, these are the templates that you are going to have when you click on that particular or when you search your certificate. So now we are going to select one of them and start with our editing. So let's select this particular one here. Let's click on it. Then you click on edit design. So now with this, we have the interface. We have the interface here. So this is what we are going to do. This certificate, we are going to change things on it, the text and everything, so that it will be our own. So let's start. For this one, for the first test certificate, we will just want to maintain it. But we want this certificate to be a certificate of completion. Maybe you've organized a workshop, you organize a training, and you want to award certificate to those who successfully completed the course. So you can use this certificate. So let's start from here. So let's click on this test of achievement. And then when you click on it, it will give you an option on this side here as to how to edit it. So we are going to edit it. So just, if you're using your phone, just click on it. It will bring the touchpad for you to edit. So you're going to change the text here and type and use certificate of completion. Okay, something like this is good. Then we are good to go. So let's select on it again, and then you can go to this section and deal with the styles or the formatting. So let's start from the opacity. Okay, opacity, let's maintain opacity. You can change the font. So let's select the font. There's so many fonts that you can change into based on what you want. So you can select any of them and then you are good to go. Okay, so you have to change the font, and now let's deal with the size. So you can zoom the size up a bit so that you have a little bit larger text. Okay, so with this you can just shift it so that it will be placed inside the shape correctly. So certificate of completion, good. So I think if this one is okay, you can also scroll and check the color. So you can see the color here. That's where you can see fill. Just click on it. Give an option to change the color you can also change the alignment. So you can see the alignment is here. You can change the alignment. You can just go through. You can change the background. You can add shadows to it. Just go through and then you know how to edit that. Okay, so that's it. Then from there you come to this one. Okay, so let's maintain this. Project presented to, can maintain that one. Then the name will come. So the name of that particular person, just change it. So let's change this one to, let's say John. Okay, so let's use cars. Okay, something like this. Okay, so let's select it again and then go to the font. Let's select a different font. Okay, let's use this particular one. Okay, then you will go to the size and then scale it lower a bit. Okay, so based on how you want it to display, then you can just drag it to a correct location. Good. So you have the name here. So this section here can also contain the description of the award. So you can see that you can say very presented to John Appiah for what reason? Say for completing or for successful completion of, let's say, a 2-week graphic design course. So let's edit that one too and add those texts there. So you can say for a successful completion of a 2 weeks, okay, 2 weeks intensive graphic design course. Okay, so something like this. So you need to check your spellings. Okay, so for successful completion of a 2 weeks intensive graphic design course, or you can say graphic design training. Let's use training. So it will depend on the kind of certificate, the reason why you are awarding the certificate to that particular person. So we give a description of it, a few description of it here. Then that one too, as you already done, you can just change the font style, you can change the size, and so many other things that you want to do. Then you come to the date, so you just go to text, because say the date, the session is empty, so you just want to add a text to it. So you go to text, you click on the text, and then you want to add a plain text, so you click on plain text. So you can just bring it here and then you add your text there. So the text, maybe the date will be let's use a date, any date, like let's say 15th May 2023. Okay, that will be our date of award. So you can just click on it. You can use the anchor point to zoom in and zoom out like this, or you can use this one to scale it so that you get the correct size. So you can go to the editing side and bold in it. You can check the bold, you can check the italics, you can do so many editing or formatting to it. Okay, so with the signature session 2, this is what you do. You get a plain sheet that is a sign the signature on it with a blue pen, or let's say a black pen. Then you take a picture of it. Then you upload it here as a picture. So with that, you are going to go to this section, select photo. Then you add photo from your photos. That's the photo from your system. So if you click on it, it will give you an option to select pictures from your work. So this is it. So either you upload a picture. So let's try to upload the picture so that you see how it is done. So to send it to your system or to send it to your files, then you go to where your picture is, where you took the signature picture, where you took it. You just go there, upload it, and then you insert it on your this thing, on your certificate. That's it. So that's how it is done. That's how it is done. So that is how we create a simple certificate. But maybe you want to add a logo, so you can bring the logo here to cater for the seal. So maybe that's where you want your logo to be. You can just erase this one, just delete this one. Let's select it and delete it. Okay, then we insert a picture. So you go there and upload a picture of your logo. So let's try to upload the logo. Okay, so our logo is here. Just upload it. So you wait for it to load. Okay, so now the logo is here. So just scale it here. Okay, so you can then place that image at this section here, like this. So you can just reduce it. Okay, so we can decide not to put it here. So let's put it at a different location, because we have an option of removing the background. So if you want to place it on a circle, that means you need to remove the background before you come and place it. So you have a transparent background. But if it is in a square shape like this, you need to use this one, this particular icon, remove the background to do that. But this one is for a premium version, because we are using a free version here. So if you are using the premium version, that means you can use it to remove the background. But we are using the free version, so let's place it here like this, and I think it's okay. So this is a simple way of creating a logo. So we are going to use this particular app or the particular website to create other designs. So let's stay tuned and learn more. So I end this lesson here, and I believe you can design something great with this particular website. Thank you.